Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our journey southbound on Interstate 95 through the low country of South Carolina, beginning at mile marker 69. Right at the start of this segment, we entered Colleton County, home to an estimated 38,604 people as of the 2020 census. The county seat is Walterboro, a town we'll be passing through shortly. Colleton County is part of the South Carolina Lowcountry and features a mix of pine forests, wetlands, and farmland spread across mostly flat terrain. At exit 57, we intersect with South Carolina Highway 64, which leads west toward the towns of Lodge and Earhart, and east into the heart of Walterboro. This exit provides access to several notable attractions. One significant site is the Tuskegee Airmen Monument, located at the Walterboro Airport. The monument honors the African-American pilots who trained at the Walterboro Army Airfield during World War II. Dedicated in 1997, it stands as a tribute to their bravery and contributions to the war effort. Another prominent destination is the South Carolina Artisan Center, housed in a restored Victorian cottage in downtown Walterboro. As the state's official folk art and crafts center, it showcases the work of over 300 South Carolinian artists, offering a diverse collection of handcrafted pieces from traditional to contemporary. These attractions offer travelers a glimpse into the rich cultural and historical fabric of the region, making Exit 57 a worthwhile stop for anyone interested in exploring the heritage of South Carolina's Lowcountry. We're now passing through the city limits of Walterboro, the largest municipality in Colleton County, with a population of 5,544 as of the 2020 census. Originally founded in the late 18th century as a summer retreat for plantation owners, Walterboro is now known as the front porch of the Lowcountry. It features a historic downtown, antique shops, and serves as a gateway to the Ace Basin, a vast protected estuarine ecosystem. Leaving Walterboro behind, we enter a quieter stretch of I-95. The highway here cuts through long corridors of pine forest, with only the occasional billboard or overpass breaking the view. The terrain remains flat and green, typical of South Carolina's coastal plain. Somewhere around mile marker 47, we make a quick stop at a rest area for a break, and we depart with the windshield slightly cleaner than it was before. It's a quiet pull-off spot surrounded by trees, like many along this route. As we near mile marker 43, we're approaching the southern boundary of Colleton County. We'll pick up from here in the next video as we continue our drive toward the Georgia state line. Thanks for riding along with us on this leg of the trip. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and join us for our next 504 road trip.